All right, GBMC, this is the video to find the winner of my full-size helmet winner's choice between Jair and Jordy. So we'll check the time, December 27th at 2:41 p.m. I'm going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have December 27th at 2:41 p.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Corey. Spot number 9 is your winner. So Corey, please PM me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, December 27th, 2:41 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.